So what's up, guys? So this is a Chinese detailer. Comes with this blade, which is non-adjustable. But if you can see, I put it on my Wahl Detailer. It's a 4 centimeter wide. That's a T wide. And I put my standard blade here with some modifications. As you can see, this is a standard. And the original blade of this machine is here. So let's see. This is powered with lithium battery. It's made in China. Works 2.5 hours.
I used to be 4, but now I'm 5, and I already lost my first tooth.
And there's a tooth. There's
a tooth?
It has 2 speed here. Look at the power. That's the first speed.
Does it tickle? Tickle?
And look at the power of this.
That's weird.
No.
That's weird.
This costs 14 euros. I think 14 or $15. But this one works fine as my detailer.
Ja, aber wo hast du das gekauft?
I'm making a vlog, girl. Okay.
Huh?
I'm making a review.
Oh.
So as you can see, look. No, I'm gonna upload this on YouTube now. So look at the wide blades. So I interchanged the blade of my original Wahl Detailer to this Chinese detailer. This one called Sonar, the product Sonar. Yeah?
And the other one?
As you can see, the power of this machine works with my original blade is really good. Actually, this blade is already modified with 1-minute blade modifier. As you can see here, right there. And it's also zero gap. As you can see. This really hits hard.
That's me.
No. Look. Let me compare this with this. That's my daughter. So this is the Wahl Detailer. Oh. This runs 5,000 rounds per minute, or I don't know what it's called.
Is it gonna be your sticker?
You hear that?
Yeah.
That's the Wahl Detailer. And this one, bam! It's kind of loud. That's faster. It's
louder. The other one's slower. The other one's slower.
See that?
Yeah.
I can feel the vibration. But this one really works.
Yeah. Did you use that to cut your hair?
This one turns red if the battery is low.
Okay. Good.
So that's it. That's my Sonar Professional, $15, 14 euro, with my Wahl 5-star standard blade detailer. That's all.